Note, please place the product on a flat surface for installation. Align the support frame with the holes and screws in the screws. Repeat the same installation steps for the other two support frames. Then place the shelf, screwed in the 4 screws underneath. Adjust the height and level, then connect the two products together. Tighten the screws until the gap is minimized. Then install the side panel. Note that the lengths of the side panels on the left and right sides are different. Align with the holes before installing. Screws in the screws at the 4 corners of the side panels. The installation steps for the remaining side panels are the same. Open the cabinet under the stove, then remove the back panel inside the cabinet. Install the drainage quick connect and the water supply quick connect. Finally, install the 4 skirting boards. Tighten the screws.